Hey guys, welcome back to Nails by Orange. Today I'll be showing you how I recreate my Itzy Wannabe inspired design. Let's begin with our first design. The first nail design will be inspired by Leah's outfit in the MV. You can see from the MV she's wearing this black mesh top with diamonds all over her shirt. So I'll be using black nail polish for the base color. After you're done with 2 layers of coating, remember to top coat and cure. I'll be using silver blinks on the nail just like the embellishment on her top. You will need to use structured gel to secure the blinks on the nail. Here, I'm placing them in the order like a polka dot design. Once you're done putting the diamonds, you can now top coat and cure. Okay, let's move on to the next nail design. We'll be doing a nail design inspired by Eugene, her outfit. Let's paint the nails with dark navy blue color twice. And remember to cure it each time you paint a new layer. In order to create the pearl that is on the shirt, we have to paint a layer of structured gel over the nail and then place the pearl accessory on the nails. Right here, what I'm doing is to stack 2 layers of pearls on top, following the collar on her shirt, and then I'll randomly place some big and small pearl all over the nail. Just make sure that it doesn't look awkward, so this is what I've came up with. Finally, top coat and then cure. Next, we are going to paint the nails inspired by Yejin's top. She's wearing a puffy sleeve crop top with lacy or embroidery details in the middle of the top. It is not that obvious in the MV, however, if you do watch a live performance, which I'll put it on the top left hand corner, you can see it more clearly. So what you need to do is to paint the nails with a foil transfer nail polish. I'm using this brand called Starry Blue from Taobao. So you just paint 1 layer and you cure it for 60 seconds. And then you put your preferred foil lacy design and push it all over the nails. Once you remove it, you will see the design on the nail. So at this stage, I actually found it a bit bare, so I've decided to do a French and outline design using black polish here. Top coat and then cure. And we are on to the next nail. This nail design is inspired by Chaeryeong's outfit. She's seen on both MV and the live performance wearing a white tube top with a black netting pullover. I will be painting my nails with white color as a base, and then using black color polish, I will then draw random patterns of netting design all over the nail. You don't have to strictly follow the design of the top. This was what I came up with. So as you can see, the first layer is not enough to bring out the color, so usually I will go over with the second layer. And yes, being the extra in me, I will always outline my nail, so you can see I'm outlining the nail with a black polish. Now you can top coat and then cure. Okay, let's move on to the final design, which is inspired by Yuna's outfit. She's wearing a crop leather jacket with black pants and also a silver chain necklace over her neck. So I'm just going to do a very simple design for this. So what you have to do is paint the nail twice with black polish and then cure it. Next, I'll be using a silver chain accessory to create this necklace look on Yuna's neck. So what I do is I will paint over a structured gel and then place the silver chain on top. Finally, top coat and then cure. Okay, we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and will give this a try. If you do try them, remember to tag me on my Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do remember to give this a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Do let me know if you want me to recreate other K-pop nail art videos by commenting down in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to recreate them. Thank you, and I hope to see you again.